सुनान का नाम चढ़दी कला, तेरे पाने सरबत का भला।
Hello everyone present here through the medium of internet. Someone has well quoted that where there is will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. And our mission clearly justifies this quote. Though it is a season of pandemic issues, still we all are here to celebrate the occasion of Ubharte Kalakar. This clearly shows that how devotionally we are connected towards this. I, Michelle Mahesh Kapoor, daughter of Das Pankaj Kapoor, is activated on your screens to present my thoughts on this critical situation, just to seek some positivity from the negative crisis. So today we are going to talk about coronavirus and how people are evoking from the painful experiences, some emotional experiences and some of the physical experiences which are not too pleasant. But we have to put up in these things because this life, this world is made up of ups and downs. Pain and pleasure both go together. And if I quote in Punjabi, Dukh Sukh Dono Sam Kar Jano or Maan Apmana. You must take pain and pleasure, Dukh and Sukh equally, as you must take someone insulting you or praising you equally. That is the necessary requirement if you want to live a happy, good and satisfied life. In this world, the world shows drama. Both things will happen and you will have to accept both equally. That is, when you're feeling low, then accept it as a period of feeling low. And when you're feeling high, then accept it as a period of feeling high. That is how life is. अगर हमारी लाइफ में कुछ नेगेटिव हो भी जाता है तो याद रखिए कि हर नेगेटिव इंसिडेंट में कोई ना कोई पॉजिटिव मैसेज छुपा होता है. सो प्लीज फाइंड आउट, ढूंढो इस नेगेटिव इंसिडेंट में हमारे लिए क्या पॉजिटिव मैसेज है. महाराज कंत जी अक्सर फरमाते हैं कि जब भी हमारी लाइफ में कोई ऐसी समस्या का सामना करना पड़ जाता है जिसके बारे में हम ना कभी सुना हो, ना कभी सोचा हो, ना कभी देखा हो, तो उससे हमें जीवन जीने के लिए एक नई सीख, एक नई सोच और एक नया उपदेश मिलता है. कोरोना वायरस भी ऐसी ही एक समस्या है. एंड आई बिलीव कोरोना वायरस इशारा है उस ईश्वर का, उस परमात्मा का जिसने हम सबका इस संसार का सृजन किया है. ये एक दुखद सपने जैसा है पर ये एक कटूट सच्चाई है जिसका सामना हम ना चाहते हुए भी कर रहे हैं. So we must follow the instructions that are being given by the government, state government and government of different countries to stay at home. There is no event in the world, either high or low, that has lasted forever. Even this coronavirus, the problem that we are facing right now, will pass away. So it is just a matter of having some patience. महाराज कंत जी अपने सत्संग में फरमाते हैं कि हमारे अंदर जीवन जीने की शक्ति बहुत मजबूत होनी चाहिए. वैसे ही इस वैश्विक बीमारी से बचने के लिए भी हमारे अंदर भय की शक्ति नहीं बल्कि जीवन जीने की अर्थात आंतरिक शक्ति होनी बहुत जरूरी है. हम देख ही रहे हैं कि कितने डॉक्टर, नर्स और देश के अन्य सेवक दिन रात लगकर हमारी सेवा कर रहे हैं. उन सब का बचाव परमात्मा कर रहा है क्योंकि उनके अंदर जीवन जीने की बहुत मजबूत शक्ति है. Use this time usefully in meditating, taking care of yourself and taking care of the things that you were not able to do earlier. Many people say, oh, we have so many books in the house, we got no time to read them. Read them now. Oh, we could not organize our house, things were all lying in a clutter. Sort them now. It is a good time to focus upon all the things that you were not able to do earlier. As there is always a bright side of everything that happens in life, even this coronavirus has a bright side to it. So please find out and take full advantage of it. In my search, this is not the first coronavirus. There have been many before, but this is novel coronavirus. The novelty of this virus is that it is not carried by air. It is carried by droplets that can stay on the surface and last long time. So we must follow the instructions being given properly to use proper hygiene, sanitizers and maintain social distancing. In my opinion, we have got a golden opportunity to do something extraordinary like Seva. Seva is something that we do for the society without expecting anything in return, not even a thanks. As we head out of this pandemic, we will create a world more of love and less of destruction. We will definitely win on this pandemic and make a world where everyone is kind to each other no matter what. In the end, I would just like to say that we should be thankful that we get a sense of love and helpfulness, as our mission itself has set a good example by the devotional seva towards the Sangat by service. And we must remember there is never too late for a new beginning to start. सब्र कर बंदे, ये मुसीबत के दिन जल्दी गुजर जाएंगे और एक बार फिर आजादी के चिराग झिलमिलाएंगे. थैंक यू। नानक नाम चढ़ती कला तेरे भाने सिर पर है।